First, start off with how the Asian markets are faring this morning, and it's a largely green screen as we speak. The Hang Seng is trading with gains of around 0.3%. The Taiwanese index, well, gains of around 0.5% there as well. The outperformance, though, is coming from the Nikkei in Japan. 800 points higher now on the index, 1.5% worth of gains. The index is trading at record highs. Speculations are rife about a snap poll taking place as early as next month in Japan. So that is what has kept the indices going over there. The Kospi in South Korea absolutely flat, and the Shanghai Composite too trading with gains of around 0.5%. So the outperformance in Asia is being led by Japan, and the rest of the indices are also trading with gains, if not healthy at that. But on the flip side, our gift Nifty is not indicating a positive start for our own markets. Around a 55-point downtick is what the implied open is suggesting. Well, and based on that, we most likely open around about that 25,700 mark in today's trading session as well. But to set you up for today's trade, we'll tell you all of it about the trade setup and, of course, the stocks that should be on your radar as well. And if you pull up the intradays of both the Nifty and the Nifty Bank in yesterday's trading session, you would see the kind of roller coaster that you had on both the indices in yesterday's trading session, which was the Nifty weekly expiry. The Nifty moves hinged mostly on the Nifty Bank. And if you could see, till the time the Nifty Bank was higher, the Nifty tried to sustain above the flat line, but ever since the Nifty Bank started to come off the highs of the day, it was capitulation for the Nifty as well. And then in the final hour of the trading session, or the final 30 minutes, once the expiry related plays start to take shape, the Nifty Bank started to recover, and then the Nifty consequently recovered as well. The important bit is the fact that they managed to sustain above that 25,700 mark. Today being the Sensex weekly expiry, because tomorrow is a holiday, so the weekly expiry has been moved to today. The banks are the ones that are continuing to hold fort. So that remains the sector to watch out for. The banking stocks, the Nifty Bank, the PSU Bank index, because the others are underperforming. The others are not putting their weight forward, the index heavyweights. If you take a look at the contributors chart as well, that will give you a picture of Reliance and all of these other heavyweights, L&T, Bharti Airtel, all of them being on the negative side. Only ICICI Bank and SBI held fort yesterday along with TCS. So that needs to be watched out for. Selling continues in a lot of these underperforming sectors, EMS stocks being one of them, real estate stocks being the other. So keep an eye out on that. The index is respecting levels, yes, but the fall that you see in specific stocks is a lot steeper in the broader markets. Dixon was down 5% yesterday. Trent was down 4% as well. So stock specific activity needs to be watched out for. Now, 25,700 remains the key for the Nifty. The Nifty Bank, though, has managed to close above the 59,500 mark. So that needs to be seen whether that sustains, and then you move past that towards that 60,000 mark. Although the 59,750, 59,800 band continues to be a bit of a resistance for the Nifty Bank. The earnings reaction to watch today is going to be from Tata Elxsi. The stock has been outperforming before its results, so it will be interesting to see the kind of moves today after its results. It's a big earnings day as well. Infosys reports results after market hours today, and a lot of these capital market names as well. Grow, ICICI, Pru AMC, HDFC AMC, all of them reporting results in today's session. Watch out for Kotak Bank as well. That's going to be trading its stock split in today's session. There is a 1:5 stock split, so keep an eye out on Kotak Bank as well. So it promises to be a very important trading session for us. It's the Sensex weekly expiry today. The implied open is currently suggesting a 50-point downtick, but that 25,700 level is going to be a very, very important one to be watched out for on the Nifty in today's session. Over to Upasna now, who would list out the stocks that you need to keep an eye out for in today's trade. Upasna, good morning. What is on your list today?
Good morning, Hormas. Firstly, let me start with all the Q3 results. ICICI Lombard, the net premium saw an uptick of 12.7%, while net profit was down nearly about 9%. Next up is Tata Elxsi, good growth, CC revenue growth at 3.2% versus the estimate of 2.7%. Reported PAT is down 29% sequentially. This is because of the exceptional loss of nearly about 958 crores. Next up is Just Dial on our radar. The revenue has seen an uptick of 6%, while net profit is down nearly about 10.2% on year-on-year basis. 5paisa Capital is the next one. The revenue has seen a growth of nearly about 2.8%. Sequential recovery is seen in the results, and this is on the back of the strong uptick in the company's average daily turnover, which now has seen a growth of nearly about 24% sequentially. Intratech Building bags order worth 130 crore to manufacture pre-engineered steel building system. Next up is IOB. It has reduced overnight MCLR by 5 basis points to nearly about 7.95 with effect from 15th of Jan. NLC India is the next stock on our radar. The company is in pact with Gujarat government to develop a large-scale renewable project, and the investment potential here is nearly about 25,000 crores. Next up is Endurance Tech. Maharashtra government has increased the incentive to 858 crore versus 606 earlier. And lastly, coming to RailTel Corp, there has been cancellation of 3 major orders from Bihar Education Council, and the total worth of cancellation is nearly over 600 crore. So we'll be keeping an eye out on that as well. So all in all, we'll be watching out for all these stocks in today's trading session.
Indeed, keep an eye out for RailTel in today's session. Upasana, thank you for that update.